The Pavehawk has really nice lighting simulation. Blue one there. I'm not sure if this red thing's supposed to be a light or some sort of mirror thing. And then you've got like the nice tail LED light simulation at the back. The rotors are really nicely detailed, and the main rotor shaft is really well done. The helicopter also comes with separate fuel tanks, which just slide into this socket here, which should slide in. A bit hard with one hand, but I'll show you that in a minute. And like magic, I've managed to attach them. This has got nice detailing as well, like weathering. If you can pick that up, it's like a dark mist. And on the back as well. Yeah, you can see it a bit better. There you go. And it's even got like detailing there. I presume that's the type of fuel that is used. And you also have one on the other side, which makes this look like a really badass, especially when you have the doors shut. But yeah, brilliant. If you do find one, basically get it, because these Pavehawks are really rare, but really do stand out, especially if it's next to the other olive drab Blackhawk, and the latest one that they've produced, which I believe is the Night Raid Pavehawk. Okay, well, hope you enjoyed the review, and hope to be back soon, shortly. Cheers, bye.